Before watching this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Health benefits of vinegar: a condensed guide. Are you taking multiple medications each morning? Do you struggle with sleep and constant fatigue? As a retired internist with 30 years of clinical experience, I've learned that habits are more powerful than medicine. This guide shares how apple cider vinegar might be the habit that transforms your health, based on scientific research and clinical experience. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily could make remarkable differences. Research from Arizona State University demonstrated that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before meals can lower post-meal blood sugar by 25 to 30% in type 2 diabetes patients. The acetic acid slows carbohydrate absorption and reduces insulin resistance. One of my patients, a 70-year-old man with persistent high blood sugar, saw his fasting levels drop from 160 to 125 in just 1 month. After implementing this simple habit with his regular medication, beyond reducing salt intake, vinegar can significantly impact hypertension. American cardiovascular research shows acetic acid helps expand blood vessels, relaxes vessel walls, and promotes sodium elimination. A patient of mine taking 2 blood pressure medications was able to reduce to just 1 after 2 months of drinking diluted apple cider vinegar twice daily with meals, with his pressure stabilizing between 137 to 144. Vinegar contains components that help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Studies published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found consistent vinegar consumption resulted in decreased total cholesterol and improved blood vessel elasticity. The acetic acid breaks down fats and helps clean cholesterol buildup from vessel walls. A 68-year-old patient with mild atherosclerosis, an LDL of 180, saw his levels drop to 142 after 3 months of this simple routine. Even without alcohol consumption, fatty liver can develop from poor diet, lack of exercise, or long-term medication use. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows apple cider vinegar's polyphenols reduce free radicals that damage liver cells and prevent fat accumulation. A 63-year-old woman with elevated liver enzymes returned to normal range after 8 weeks of apple cider vinegar, reduced dietary fat, and light walking. As we age, stomach acid decreases and digestion slows, causing bloating and discomfort. Vinegar stimulates stomach acid production and digestive enzyme activity, helping food move more efficiently through the digestive tract. A 66-year-old patient who regularly needed digestive medication was able to discontinue it after just 2 weeks of drinking diluted vinegar before meals. Our kidneys filter everything we consume, but this filtration function declines with age. The citric acid in vinegar maintains mildly acidic urine, reducing stone risk and promoting sodium excretion. A 72-year-old with borderline creatinine levels saw stabilization after a month of twice daily vinegar water, which also naturally increased his overall hydration. Vinegar promotes beneficial gut bacteria activity and gently stimulates intestinal walls to encourage natural bowel movements. One elderly patient who previously had bowel movements only once or twice weekly developed regular movements after just 3 days of morning vinegar water, combined with properly cooked vegetables and increased water intake. Clinical trials conducted at Cornell University showed adults consuming 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar daily for 12 weeks experienced an average decrease of 0.6 inches in abdominal fat. Vinegar naturally suppresses appetite, moderates blood sugar rises, and activates metabolism. A 69-year-old female patient reported a 1.2-inch waistline reduction after 3 months of this practice. Minerals in vinegar, including potassium and magnesium, help relax nervous tension and support melatonin production. A previously chronic insomniac in his 70s, who had managed only 3 to 4 hours of sleep for over a decade, began sleeping 6 hours after consistently drinking warm vinegar water after dinner, rather than simply taking calcium supplements. Consider how well calcium is absorbed. Vinegar's organic acids convert calcium into an ionic form more easily, absorbed by the small intestine. A patient taking calcium supplements for 2 years with no improvement showed increased bone density after adding small amounts of apple cider vinegar to his meals for just 2 months. Vinegar's natural anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce chronic inflammation and improve circulation to tense muscles. For enhanced effect, try applying a warm towel soaked in diluted vinegar to painful areas. A patient in his mid-70s reported waking half as often from nighttime back pain after implementing a pre-bedtime vinegar massage routine. Antioxidants in vinegar, including polyphenols and beta-carotene, fight cellular oxidation, while improved gut health from regular consumption positively affects skin appearance. A woman in her 60s with persistent dullness and age spots noticed clearer complexion after a month of daily vinegar water and increased vegetable intake. Remember, never apply vinegar directly to your face. Work from the inside out. Organic acids in vinegar support energy metabolism, helping convert nutrients into usable energy rather than stored calories. They also aid in breaking down accumulated fatigue substances like lactic acid. A 74-year-old man with persistent morning fatigue regained afternoon energy after 2 months of morning vinegar consumption. 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily, well diluted in water and consumed with meals, can initiate remarkable health changes. Consistency is key. This isn't about one-time miracles, but establishing daily habits that gradually transform health. Those with sensitive stomachs should avoid taking it on an empty stomach, and anyone on medication should consult their doctor first. Never drink undiluted vinegar as its acidity can damage tooth, enamel and irritate the digestive tract. Health doesn't suddenly appear. It's built through daily choices that become lifelong habits. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.